I can't remember the last time I was this excited to unbox some sneakers. This is gonna be special, but unfortunately it's July 3rd and I'm on my way out. I'm spending the next few days at a lake house and I need to get going. I'm already late, but this package just showed up and there's no way that I'm not gonna check out these sneakers real quick before I leave, because I'd just be wondering about them the entire time. So I'm gonna do this quick video. It's gonna be a little bit rushed, so I apologize, but I'm gonna open up this package real quick, show you guys what I got, and yeah, let's get into it. So the reason why I have this huge box of sneakers is because I'm sure some of you have, well, this is awkward, I gotta put this down. So I'm sure you guys have seen my recent lookbooks, the how to style Air Force Ones, how to style Jordans, how to style Jordan 1s, etc. Those type of videos. A lookbook that a lot of you have been asking me to create recently is how to style Nike Air Max sneakers. So instead of doing that video on my own, I partnered up with Stockx to create it. So I pretty much got to go ham on their website and pick up some Air Max sneakers that I've really wanted. Some stuff from last year that I just missed out on, some stuff from this year that I missed out on. So I'm super excited to check out all these sneakers because they're gems. They're all gems that I tried to get and I wasn't able to. So massive shout out to Stockx for seeing the vision with these lookbooks. So let's get into all these joints, man. I am pumped. I'm so pumped. I feel like it's Christmas morning and I'm 12. It's them. They weren't trolling me. Wow. Where do I start? Where do I start? Not these. Which ones are these? Let me see what we got here. Yep, let's start with these joints. So this is a pair of Air Max 97s that I missed out on. I thought that maybe I could grab these later on down the line. So we've got the Air Max 97 Particle Beige. These things are pretty much just pink and tan, and they are beautiful. These are a beautiful pair of Air Max 97s. Of course, they've got that Stockx verified tag on the back of them. But look at these sneakers, man. Are you kidding me? How much cleaner does it get than these, especially for the summertime? I was like, yeah, I'll probably be able to catch those at like my local Finish Line or Champs or something like that. Negative. I need that whole pack that those were part of, to be honest with you. Wow, these next few pairs are just gems, man. Straight gems. Finally, I cannot believe I don't have a pair of this model, but I don't. Some Air Max 98s. How do I not have a pair of Air Max 98s? That is all gonna change right now. These are incredible. You know the deal, Air Max 98 Gundams. The way the blue pops on these, so nice, man. That red just complements it. 98s, finally got a pair. Need those Tor yellows next. I also like the all whites. There's a bunch of other 98s that I like, but this particular pair, needed these in the collection, and they're gonna be on feet real soon for that how to style Air Max lookbook. My day would be made if I just had these and the Particle Beige. Like any of these sneakers, if I just got one of them, like my day is made. But I've got 4 pairs here total, and each one of them just fire. Next up, we got a black box Nike release, and these are a pair of Air Max 1s. Air Max 1s are my favorite Nike Air Max model, and this particular pair is just wild. Oh my gosh, these are incredible. These are absolutely incredible. We've got the Atmos Air Max 1s. Come on, dog. These are so wild, literally, that you have to like them. Like, this material is insane, man. This is so insane. I tried to get a pair of these and the 95s. I'm not even that big on 95s, and I tried to get those. Struck out on both. I had been eyeing a pair of these on StockX, just waiting for the resale prices to come down. But now, I don't have to wait any longer. I've been watching so many YouTube videos on these, people unboxing them, people rocking them on feet. And I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna have to suck it up and pay resale for these things. That Air Max unit is green. I didn't even notice that. That's a cool detail. I'm also wondering which laces I'm gonna throw in here. Do you guys like the blacks, the greens, or the reds? I've seen some people rocking green on one side and red on the other. The reds look great. I don't know. I have some time to decide. So I would definitely say that I saved the best for last. I have not even checked this sneaker out in person. I've only seen images, but I think it is the best sneaker of the year, without question. And that's me saying that just based off pictures and YouTube videos that I've seen. I needed this sneaker so bad, I was willing to pay 3 times the retail price. I'm sure a lot of you guys recognize this box. Man, I'm taking this all in. This is undoubtedly the sneaker of the year, and I still have not even opened the paper to check them out. Come on, man. Come on, man. I can't believe it. I can't believe I finally own these joints. Wow. These are incredible in person. We've got the Shawn Witherspoon Air Max 97 ones. I can't believe that these are actually in my possession right now. A lot of times I try for these hyped up releases and I never get them, but StockX has your back. If you are trying to get these for cheaper than like eBay prices, you can get these for under 600, or at least last time I was looking in my size, you could get these for under 600, which is a lot cheaper than other places. So still expensive, don't get me wrong, but if you want an authentic pair of sneakers, especially something like this, StockX is the only aftermarket place that I would buy these, I think, because if you bought a pair on eBay, you know, you could get a fake, but these are verified. So definitely keeping those yellow laces in there. And I went a half size down. I saw a lot of reviews where people were saying that these run big. Like, what a color combination. The color combination on this sneaker, yellow, gray, pink, light blue, purple. Now this is a Nike collaboration. Talking about pushing it to the limits. Incredible sneaker, but I wish I had more time to talk about all of these. I have to go. Let me know which pair of these is your favorite, and hit the thumbs up on this video. Again, huge shout out to StockX. Keep an eye out for that how-to style Air Max video, because these are going to be in there, as well as a bunch of other gems. I hope you guys enjoy your 4th of July week and weekend. Celebrate safely and all that good stuff. A bunch of content is on the way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will talk to you later. Peace.